Hi, my name is Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. Whenever we get in a situation where we can't resolve a case amicably with the other side, we typically will file a lawsuit on behalf of our client in order to protect their legal interests. Once a lawsuit is filed, then any of the parties to the lawsuit are entitled to participate in what is called the discovery process. And the discovery process is governed by what are called the Florida Rules of Civil Procedure. And the Florida Rules of Civil Procedure give lawyers and lay people guidance on what types of discovery tools are available. And one of those tools is called a request for production. So a request for production is a formal document that gets filed with the court and served on any party to a lawsuit that allows the other parties in the lawsuit to request certain information that's relevant to the case. In personal injury cases, the things that typically show up in requests for production are requests for things like medical records, medical bills, tax information, pay stubs, damaged vehicle estimates, photographs of vehicles, photographs of injuries, x-rays, MRI films. Those are typically the kinds of things that are exchanged during the discovery process in a personal injury case. From the plaintiff going out to the defendant, many times, depending on what kind of case it is, it could be things like, if it was a trucking accident case, it could be driver logs and maintenance records on a truck. If you were pursuing a case about a dangerous product, it could be, manufacturing records for a product or design records on how a particular item was designed in the designing level of the manufacture of the product. So there's really a wide variety of information that can be sought after in terms of a personal injury case. And the scope of what the parties can seek in a request for production is very broad. It's much more broader than what a judge might ultimately decide would be relevant in a trial of a case. So we frequently are asking for things that we were not sure would be admissible in trial, but we still have the right to know about them, and so does the other side. And for example, one of the things that's most troubling for a lot of our clients is the other side these days typically asks for social media information or social media records. And people feel very uncomfortable about that. But again, the scope of discovery or the scope of request for production is very broad. So there's really not much that we can do about that other than turn over the information. So if you have any questions about requests for production or the discovery process in general when it comes to personal injury cases, please reach out to us. We love to answer questions. All you have to do is call us at 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444, or you can even reach us through the Facebook Messenger app.